What if I told you that your dream Mediterranean courtyard is not only achievable, but also incredibly easy to maintain? Get ready to discover revolutionary landscaping techniques and design principles that bring timeless beauty and effortless charm to your home. This is the future of outdoor living arriving in 2026. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about beautiful, timeless outdoor spaces, but dread the idea of endless maintenance, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Mediterranean courtyard landscaping trends, where classic elegance meets modern convenience. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to design a courtyard that feels like a luxurious villa escape, while still being simple enough to care for with minimal effort. So grab a notepad, because these are the ideas that will completely transform your home. The Mediterranean courtyard has always been known for its lush greenery, fragrant plants, and timeless architectural details. But the focus has shifted toward low-maintenance flora, plants that thrive on neglect, handle drought effortlessly, and still deliver that iconic sense of richness. A Mediterranean courtyard has always been more than a visual statement. It's a lifestyle space. Picture this: a stone or wrought iron bench tucked beneath an olive tree or beside fragrant lavender, creating a serene nook for evening escapes. As the sun sets, the bench becomes the ideal retreat, where you can enjoy the gentle sound of a nearby fountain or the fragrance of rosemary drifting through the air. To complement this relaxation zone, adding a small dining set, perhaps a wrought iron bistro table with cushioned chairs, creates the perfect spot for casual meals, coffee at sunrise, or wine under the stars. This balance between seating and dining transforms the courtyard into a versatile outdoor living room, equally suited for solitude or intimate gatherings. Traditionally, Mediterranean courtyards were designed around central features that combined function and artistry, and the fountain remains a symbol of elegance, serenity, and connection to nature. A stone fountain instantly elevates the courtyard, providing a gentle soundtrack of flowing water that softens the dry, sun-soaked landscape. Paired with drought-tolerant plants like olive trees, lavender, and rosemary, the fountain becomes a cooling centerpiece that contrasts beautifully with warm stone flooring and terracotta pots. These iconic trees are practically symbols of the Mediterranean lifestyle. They bring sculptural beauty, silvery foliage, and a sense of history to your courtyard. The best part? They thrive in poor soil, love sunshine, and don't need constant watering. In fact, olive trees prefer a little neglect, making them a perfect low-maintenance anchor for your design. Few plants capture the spirit of the Mediterranean quite like lavender. Its purple blooms and aromatic scent transport you instantly to the hills of Provence. Lavender is not only drought-tolerant, but it also attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, adding life and vibrancy to your courtyard. Container gardening is a trend that's exploding in 2026 for Mediterranean courtyards. Why? because it combines flexibility, beauty, and ease of maintenance all in one. Containers allow you to play with color, texture, and seasonal variety without committing to permanent garden beds. You can move pots around to change the layout, add focal points, or create shaded microspaces. Containers also mean less weeding and controlled watering, perfect for anyone seeking low effort with high impact. The best part? Containers can be swapped seasonally. You can enjoy tulips or daisies in the spring, and then rotate in bougainvillea or hibiscus for summer. This flexibility keeps your courtyard fresh and engaging year-round without a lot of work. Mediterranean Courtyard Landscaping Trends for 2026. From olive trees and lavender to container gardens and vertical vines, this is how you can achieve low-maintenance elegance in your own home. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more luxury home and outdoor design trends that you won't want to miss. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see how you bring Mediterranean charm into your own courtyard. Until next time, here's to timeless beauty and effortless living.